Hi, I'm Rishad Ahmed. I'm a keynote speaker and a leadership coach. Right now, leaders are facing a lot of uncertainty. We've just come out of COVID and now we're entering the age of AI. Many things are changing and leaders are struggling to make sense of what to do about the future. I've put together this workshop in order for us to learn how to make sense of matters that we're facing, to gain clarity, to foster innovation, and to create a spirit of thriving with the planet, with our people, and in alignment with our higher values. I urge you to attend this course where we will discuss revolutionary strategies that I've been teaching people on holistic thinking, non-linear thinking, quantum thinking, and various ways of engaging with the world and with our environment that is outside of what we've been taught through traditional teaching. And I believe we are in an age where a new type of thinking is needed and a new type of engagement with our future is required. So I urge you to join us in Portoroz, where we will discuss some of the most important tools and techniques for empowering your leadership and making you productive, efficient, gain clarity, and prepare for the future.